Today we will be installing this catalytic converter on this 1990. Today we will be installing this catalytic converter on this 2009 Honda CR-V. Hi, this is Jim Oyet doing the voiceover. Because of the windy conditions, you won't be able to hear much of what I'm trying to say on camera. This will be the first time I'm doing voiceovers, so bear with me if it doesn't sound great. Now back to the video. The reason the catalytic converter is being replaced is due to the original catalytic converter being stolen. In doing so, they cut off part of the resonator pipe along with the catalytic converter and oxygen sensors that I now need to replace. This is where the catalytic converter used to be. So right here we have the catalytic converter itself, and here we have the resonator pipe because it got cut somewhere around here. The two oxygen sensors that got taken with the catalytic converter, and all the gaskets I'll need, and bolts I need to get the other two from the Jeep. Now some of you might be saying, why not take it to an exhaust shop and have them repair the cutoff piece? Well, that's because I don't want them welding directly to the catalytic converter or doing some poor welds or poor exhaust alignment that'll cause exhaust leaks and other problems down the road. Always remember to chuck both sides of each tire. And also, safety tip, always have a good jack that's in good condition, not full of rust or dented, and never go under a car without one of these in place. Because if this fails and you're underneath there without one of these, you're dead. You're a pancake. You will be crushed. With the car safely on jack stands, now I can start removing the leftover damaged parts and installing the new replacement parts. Alright, time to grab some tools. Alright, now that I got my tools, time to crawl underneath. Crawling underneath the engine, I noticed oil on the oil pan and seems to be coming from somewhere by the timing cover. I've read that these K24 engines tend to leak from the exhaust camshaft seal, but that will be another video for another time. Removing those bolts. So I got one I can get to from here, and the other one I'll have to get to from this hole right there. Oop. There it is. Peekaboo. All right. That's number 2. And bada boom. That's what's left of it. Gasket out of there too. So here we have the catalytic converter with the oxygen sensors. This one's the upstream. That one's the downstream. Put those in. Nice and tight. Whew. I forgot to hit record, but I got her in there. I had to like maneuver it around in all kinds of ways, but I finally got her to go in there. There's the two mighty bolts from red Loctite. If you have made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon to get notified for more videos. Alright, after a long battle, I finally got the new catalytic converter bolted up to the exhaust manifold.
But got the oxygen sensors hooked up also. Now I just need to get the resonator pipe replaced. But it's getting colder, it's getting dark, and I don't have to wait for another day.